Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to view only the verified profiles in Bumble PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Initially, what you need to do is simply go to your profile. At the top left, you'll see your profile picture along with your name. Simply click on the button right here. Then something like this will open up. Well, right here initially, you'll be in the edit profile section. Do note that there are other buttons here as well, like settings, contact and FAQs, or simply logging out. Right now, what we need to do is just go to settings. I'm gonna click on the button right here. Then as you can see, the settings page has opened up. Simply scroll down, and right here, you can see something like advanced filters. Click on the drop down button right here, and right here, you can see something like filter by. Verified profiles only. You can also add filters like height, exercise, it's up to you. But right now, I'm only focusing on verified profile pictures. Right next to it, here's a button like this. I'm simply gonna toggle it on. And that's it guys. Now I'm just gonna refresh my page, and as you can see, only verified photos are being viewed. That's how we view only verified profiles in Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.